Hi there. This is a video tutorial explaining how to create new icons for the reVos theme. Now, you will first need the new icons template, which you can find in the reVos.theme folder and then under PSD folder. When you open it, you will get three folders. Okay. Now, to make this process short and sweet, follow exactly what I'm doing and you won't have to worry about anything else. So, first open Orb, then go to Images, and you will see this is an example, and you have the control click layer. Now, select the control click layer, go to an image that you have found. Okay, for me it's this one for photos. Make sure you are on this tool, the move tool, hit V for a shortcut, and drag it in. Now, as you can see, it's too big. So, we're going to first zoom out. You can hold Alt and scroll down, or you can use the zoom tool and change it up there. Now, we need to transform it. So, you can do Control T for the keyboard shortcut, or you can go Edit, Transform, Scale. Now, holding Shift to keep the constraints of the image, we're going to scale it down. Now, you can scale it down as much as you want. However, you don't want to make it smaller than the orb itself, because then you will have lines at the top and bottom, or wherever you place it. So, find a desired size and hit Enter. Now, what we need to do is crop the circle for that image. So, having this selected, you want to control and click the square, this image of this layer. You don't want to select the name because it simply selects the layer. So make sure you're on this layer, control, and select this square. As you can see, you'll have a dotted border around the circle. Here we need to select the marquee tool or any of its sort and right click layer via copy. Okay, now we have two layers. We have the original layer and we have this added layer. So delete the original layer, and there we have the icon itself, just a circular icon that will fit in there. Okay, now we need to name it, because if we're going to have, that's just a perfectionist trait of mine. If you can name it, doesn't matter, but I'm just going to call it photos. And now we need to edit the text. So we can close this up and go to the text folder. You'll have two layers here, one line and two line, depending on the name of the icon. As we're going to be calling this photos, we only need the one line, so we can hide the two lines and show the one line. Now select the text tool and make sure that if you see the cursor, see how there's a dotted square around the cursor? When you go over this, it will be single. If you click somewhere else, you'll create a new layer. We don't want that. So you right click and delete that if that happens, and make sure you select it on the actual text. Now we're going to, in all caps, which I didn't do, type photos. And there you have it. There is one icon completed. Save this as a PNG file and make sure you name it exactly as what the icon is shown on the springboard. So you need to make sure it's case sensitive, and you need to make sure that there are spaces where appropriate. Also make sure that if the icon has a special character like a colon or a star, for example, using Windows you're actually not able to rename files with special characters. So what you can do is go into iFile and rename it there. That's a hassle, but at the moment that's the only way I can see how to solve that problem. So that's it. That is how to make an icon for the reVos theme. I hope this was a simple tutorial, and if you need any more help, you can contact me on my email, which you can find in where you download the theme within Rock under Contacts. So I hope this has been a simple process, and have fun making new icons.